in this video we'll talk about constructor overloading. Let's start. So as you can see in my screen that public class phone public static void main is written over there. Now at first what we have to do, we have to declare an object, and I think all of you know that how to declare an object. Phone, suppose iPhone equals to new phone. If we don't declare constructor, JVM will provide us a default constructor. Now let me declare a constructor. The constructor name will be same as our class name. Now what we'll do, we'll just write system.out.println, and within that we'll write hi, I am phone. Yeah, see, we have declared a constructor without zero argument. Now let me compile this code, see what output we'll get. We'll get hi, I am a phone. Now let me run that again. See how many objects we have. We have total 3 objects is 4. We have iPhone, we have OnePlus, we have suppose S10. So all of the objects are calling the same constructor. Now how to achieve the constructor overloading? For achieving the constructor overloading, we have to declare multiple constructor. So how to declare the multiple constructor? So what do? We'll write this. Now, so can you tell me that this is correct or not? This is not correct, because here we have 0 parameter and here we also have 0 parameter. So our compiler will get confused that which constructor we have to call. For that we'll pass a argument, that is int a. Now we'll write suppose I am a phone int a. I am writing here I am a phone int a, and the suppose the value of a, let's say, is plus a. See what we have written here, we have written phone int a, we are passing a parameter. Now how to call this constructor? For calling this constructor we have to pass any int type value within any constructor. Let's say for OnePlus we are calling this overloaded constructor. Now what OnePlus will call, see, our OnePlus will call this constructor and our iPhone and S10 will call this constructor. So we have successfully overloaded our constructor. So see, for iPhone we are calling this constructor, for OnePlus we are calling this constructor, and for S10 we are calling this constructor. Now let's say that we'll declare another constructor, and for that what we have to do, we'll pass 2 values, let's say int and int a, and let's say it will be double b. Value of b is this. Now see, as of now we are not calling this constructor. For calling this constructor, what we have to write, we have to put a int and we also have to put a double. See that we are passing 100 and we are passing 9.9 over here. Let's compile this code. Java C phone.java Java phone. See what we are basically doing. At first we have called the non-parameterized constructor using iPhone. After that we have called this constructor using OnePlus, and at last we have called this constructor using our S10. See, we have successfully overloaded our constructor. So this is what basically your constructor overloading is. So in this video we have discussed about what is constructor overloading and how to achieve constructor overloading. See you in the next video.